enjoy direct daily repayments for years to come with these organised suggestions. If you intend to begin an online service, there are numerous alternatives to consider. There are internet services where products are marketed from a storage facility or an inventory storage space building. There are online services that sell only info. There are likewise on the internet companies that sell solutions but not concrete items. The list of possibilities goes on and on. However, which one will bring you in direct day-to-day repayments? Check out some business ideas to see which will certainly be right for you. What are direct daily payments? Direct daily settlements are settlements that come straight to your bank account, PayPal account, or whatever else you may receive payments. The payments originate from customers straight to you instead of via one more company payroll. You will be your very own manager as well as manage the money. Reasonably, with any businesses, you are not likely to begin getting direct everyday repayments when you first begin the business. Yet, with some opportunities, the repayments could come rolling in more quickly than you assume. Web host business offering substantial products. A web host business that uses substantial items typically entail equipped stock as well as delivery products to the client. You can offer any sort of item, from golf products to gift baskets to vehicle components. The advantages are you can construct a company based upon your individual passions, as well as build it to an effective as well as an also high procedure gradually. You can still obtain daily money for items once the business is established. If you do not desire the headache of offering your own products, you can join as an affiliate to market items for others. With affiliate programs, you earn a payment every single time you refer a new client when they make a purchase. Associated programs can be profitable, but they likewise take a while to build. Research meticulously prior to relying upon associate programs to make sure that companies are stable for long-term profits. Service-orientated home businesses. A service home-orientated business enables you to make money daily, weekly, or month to month for a solution. The solution can be anything: composing website designs, web hosting, accountancies and transcriptions, information entry, marketing, etc. With a solution organization, you're paid according to the time and also abilities, and also you don't need to maintain any kind of stock accessibility. Transform key net home-based businesses. A home-based business that is already established for you with an internet site, customer care, as well as services or products to offer is called a turnkey home-based business. This type of service typically requires a very little finance investment on your part to set it up, but you'll be in charge of promoting business. Some chances will certainly also advertise for you, yet might require a larger initial financial investment. A turnkey company permits you to begin a web home-based business without all the common costs involved with startups. You can sign on with a company as well as reap the benefits of their services or products, their marketing efforts, as well as training. They do all the research for you, so it's a lot easier to begin. Some turnkey organizations do offer services or products or electronic items such as electronic books, while others might resemble a network marketing program. They teach you how to market their company so you can earn daily in a shorter period of time. To begin getting day-to-day money with a healthy and balanced residual income, study these types of online businesses to see which one will certainly fit your time routine, startup budget, skills, and also passion. If you need a stable income now, choose a home business chance with the most possibilities for earning direct everyday payments in the future. I hope you learned something from this. If you like my videos, please press the like button below. If you want to see more, there's a bell at the top. Press that, put all next to it, and let you know when I put another video on. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching, and I will say goodbye.